Stateroom 8636 on the Disney Treasure. You can see the Treasure has light colored wood. It's a closet space and a split bathroom, just like the other Disney ships. The Treasure tubs are like the Wish class ships, beautiful. And each room is themed. And it's a very light theme, you can see there in Kanto. And this stateroom sleeps 3 because there is no pull-down bed up there. And there's some water that we ordered for our room. Here's the fridge. And here's a view of our veranda, which is on the bump out. So we have a slightly larger veranda. We're in Port Canaveral today. And there it is.